Former national coach Clovis De Oliviera, along with assistant Gabriel Barros, have arrived in the island as they get set to take charge of a Premier League outfit Chapelton Maroons. The Brazilian will replace Lenny Hyde, who was fired 2 weeks ago.
Clovis De Oliviera is no stranger to football in Jamaica. But a club coach? That's something new. The Brazilian will take charge of a Chapelton Maroons club that was sent into turmoil with the sacking of coach Lenny Hyde. The club was deducted 6 points, which has seen them fall into the relegation zone. De Oliveira's immediate task is to save the debutants from returning from whence they came. But he was clear with his message on arrival.
I am a professional football coach. I'm not a magician.
He may not be able to pull rabbits out of a hat, but he is promising to make their fortunes better.
What I promise that I'm going to give more than the best. I know the culture of Jamaican. I know the potential of the player. They are young. They have good potential. And no doubt that the team is going to improve. It's going to get better. Hopefully, they will be getting a better result.
But time is needed if the Brazilian is to avoid the drop.
You cannot predict, you cannot give a time before. It's got to work, but no doubt that the fans, yourself as a median, some of you knows me for a long time ago, that the team is going to get a better performance. They will improve with the discipline, with the Brazilian style of work, but I cannot tell you when this will be happy. But some of the fans will see, let's say, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, something different on Chapelton team.
But Chapelton is not Kingston, and Clovis must adapt quickly to life in rural Jamaica.
No doubt about this. I will adaptate easily and nice. It's going to be my pleasure to live up the mountain, to live in Clarendon.
Club owner Michael Scott is setting his hopes high on Clovis, keeping them in top-flight football.
I think, he's experienced, respected, and the youngsters are looking forward. So, I think, that will, give us a shot to survive, to be, one of the top 12. And that's all we're looking for, top 12,
Chapelton, who drew with Dunbeholden on Sunday, will next be in action next Monday against the only winless team in the competition, Falkland, in the Battle of the Cellar Dwellers. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.